The Assyrian Empire, the most ruthless and unstoppable military power in history, arrived in front of the massive walls of Lachish that were said to be impassable. Instead of blindly attacking those high walls, dark blue armored Assyrians used pure engineering as a weapon. They built a giant ramp to crush brute stone with absolute perfect mathematics right now. The city of Lachish was well protected by brave soldiers defending with their desert sand-colored tunics and bronze skullcaps. Assyrian Emperor Sennacherib fully trusted not only his soldiers' swords, but his giant war machines and battering rams. No matter how high those walls were, that deadly ramp built with a flawless slope would totally crush them all. While the invincible Assyrian Empire crushed the entire Middle East, the Kingdom of Judah showed the courage to rebel against this great power. Emperor Sennacherib marched south with his massive army to violently suppress this arrogant uprising. His ultimate goal was Jerusalem, but first he had to overcome a huge obstacle: the mighty city of Lachish. The balance of power was completely in favor of the Assyrians. While there were only a few thousand defenders inside, tens of thousands of death machines waited outside. The Lachish defenders trusted their incredibly high walls and deadly slingshots. But the giant Assyrian army consisted of master engineers building great war machines, not just swords. Assyrian Emperor Sennacherib was not only a blood-shedding warrior, but also an excellent architect and a flawless mathematician. He calculated his siege plans precisely like a pure chess master. The people of Lachish and their defense commanders fell into great arrogance, completely thinking those massive walls could never be breached by any man.
The breach is found. Let the siege begin.
As a first move, the giant Assyrian army totally surrounded the city with a huge circle and cut off all escape routes. Instead of sending his soldiers to die climbing those high walls, Sennacherib made a much more ruthless and permanent plan. All nearby trees were cut down, and millions of tons of stone were gathered. A road to the sky was built. When the giant stone ramp was finally completed, the Assyrian war machine leaned completely against those supposedly invincible walls. Sennacherib drove his soldiers up the ramp in perfect order, while archers built a flawless wall behind massive wicker shields. That terrifying battering ram slowly climbed toward the walls. The end had arrived. The Lachish defenders desperately rained flaming arrows and rocks from the sky, or the Assyrian engineers had perfectly covered the battering ram with wet animal hides. Fire could not stop this machine. The massive iron tip struck the weakest point of the walls with terrifying force. The impassable vertical walls collapsed in seconds using pure math. When a giant breach was opened in the massive walls, all the city's hopes were ruined. Crisis moment graphics clearly showed that the pure defense had collapsed and the deep psychological resistance was totally broken. While the soldiers behind the walls retreated in total confusion, the deadly Assyrian infantry poured through that hole like a dark flood. Assyrian infantry and Lachish defenders engaged in brutal hand-to-hand combat right over the deep ruins. In that ruthless chaos where dust and blood mixed, the high discipline of the Assyrians was totally evident. Sharp swords clashed violently against heavy shields. That massive numerical superiority and ruthless tactic easily crushed the weak line. Bird's-eye tactical schemas proved exactly how that great engineering marvel completely swallowed the city. Built with pure geometry rather than brute force, that incredible ramp breached mountain-like walls and brought absolute victory. The ruthless Assyrian army entering the city burned everything. Human intellect defeating stone was fully proven today. Pouring into the city like a giant flood, the Assyrian army turned Lachish streets into a total bloodbath. Those massive walls, once called impassable, were ruined, leaving brute force to pure chaos. Houses were burning fiercely, and a ruthless struggle for survival occurred among the ruins. The Assyrian war machine mercilessly crushed absolutely everything. As critical defense lines collapsed one by one, the Lachish commanders retreated helplessly toward the inner citadel. While Emperor Sennacherib watched this victory from a distant hill, he ordered his elite guards to launch the final attack. The flawlessly disciplined Assyrian heavy infantry marched through burning narrow streets to end that rebellion. When the massive wooden doors of the inner citadel were shattered, all pure hope was totally exhausted. The city of Lachish, which resisted the great Assyrian storm for months, had completely surrendered. This great defeat of stone and brute force against intellect deeply shook the ancient world. Fleeing leaders were caught, and the price was fully paid. The smoke rising from the heart of the city declared the definitive victory of that engineering marvel. Sennacherib destroyed the impassable walls, not only with swords, but with perfect calculations. While the Assyrian standard was proudly planted on ruins, a bitter exile began. This big victory against nature and rough stone was carved into the palaces. The massive fall of the Lachish walls became eternal proof of how human intellect overcomes obstacles. Rough stone fully submitted to engineering, flawless iron logic won again. When humans build walls as high as mountains, they think they are totally safe behind those walls and will never be defeated. The people of Lachish also trusted their giant stones. But Assyrian Emperor Sennacherib trusted only mathematics, not swords. Intellect and engineering shattered that impassable rough stone and completely swallowed a giant city. The mind is always sharper than the body and the sword. Iron logic effortlessly finds its own path, even through the thickest walls. Now, turn off the lights and join me. It begins. When the black smoke of war cleared, the city of Lachish had completely turned into a ruin. Thanks to perfect engineering intellect, the Assyrian Empire breached those massive walls while losing very few soldiers. The defenders' arrogance was crushed under the rubble. Surviving civilians were exiled as captives, and all the city's riches were looted today. Sennacherib carved this immense engineering victory step by step into the walls of his palace in his capital Nineveh with giant stone reliefs. That terrifying siege ramp still stands today in the deserts of Israel after thousands of years. That tragic fall of Lachish perfectly proved that physical power consists of calculated intellect, not rough stone. At Lachish, steep rocks crumbled to pure dust before mathematics and flawless calculations. But the human mind deeply shapes not only nature, but also the enemy's mind. In the next episode, we will go to ancient China and watch legendary strategist Sun Bin's art of diversion. Get fully ready for the victory of besieging a capital to ambush a giant army.